This is where it all started. The largest thing that happened in Mako. It was Boo Radley who killed my son and his friend. Only my daughter and I survived. It all happened 10 years ago on this very street.
Mock.
Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
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 Mockingbird, don't everybody hurt. She's gonna buy me a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, she's gonna buy me a diamond ring.
Well, what do you think he looks like?
Ugly, I bet.
I heard he has 20 toes.
That's just silly.
We should just go knock on his front door.
That's just suicide. Come on. Don't go.
Come on, go.
Why me? It was Dale's idea.
You're the oldest.
Run! I am Boo Radley.
Okay, I think we lost him. We might not survive this, but I want you to know that I love you.
No.
You feel that?
I'm going to finish this once and for all.
Ha! You're the one hurt on the ground. I'll be the last thing your pathetic eyes will ever see.
Say that to my face.
As you wish.
Strike.
Are you okay?
It's all over. Let's go.
God, come on, Henry! That's terrible!